먼저 갈래?
Walkingbubu at the entrance line to the Vatican Museums inside.
그래, 우리 처음에 저쪽으로 갔었다.
Smallest country in the world, one of the greatest collections within. No paper maps are given here. Hallways stretch and disappear. Turning corners room to room, a maze of art begins to bloom. Into the Gregorian Egyptian Museum we go. Ancient worlds from long ago, preserved mummies, silent time, artifacts in ordered lines, centuries held in every case, echoes of another place. So much to see, so little me, through the halls of history, from ancient Rome to artistry, layers of humanity. Marble figures carved with skill, stories that are standing still.
아닌가?
Laocoon and his sons,
저기 서 있는 거 말이야.
struggle captured, sharply shown. Apollo Belvedere stands tall, balance, form admired by all. From classical to Renaissance, every piece a circumstance. Through the gallery of the tapestries we pass, threads that hold the stories fast, scenes of faith and woven thread, craftsmanship in every spread. Final steps to sacred hall, Sistine Chapel ceiling, masterpiece in human sight by Michelangelo. Creation of Adam and last judgment. So much to see, so little me, in this world of memory. Every step a legacy. How can this be? The Vatican Museums are one of the most famous museums. Complexes in the world located inside Vatican City. The Vatican Museums are a vast collection of art and historical artifacts gathered by the Catholic Church over centuries, especially by various popes. They contain everything from ancient Roman sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces. Sistine Chapel has famous for ceiling frescoes painted by Michelangelo. One of the painting including the creation of Adam. The gallery of maps is a long, ornately decorated corridor. crown and his sons, and Apollo Belvedere.